My highlight of the year has been beginning my role here at GIA. It's been so inspiring to see the beautiful projects that come out of such a strong and talented team and seeing how each person plays a role in creating incredible results.
Hi, my highlight for 2025 would have to be having two of my jobs displayed in the design files, which I have been trying to do for years and years and years. So honestly, it was the best thing to happen.
My highlight of 2025 was attending the KBDI Awards in Adelaide with the team and coming home with plenty of awards.
One of my highlights of 2025 was starting the most amazing, or a couple of the most amazing projects. We've got Project Melbourne as well as a project starting in Hawthorn East, which I'm really excited to see through.
Highlight of my 2025 would have to be, I actually don't think I have a highlight. There have been multiple highlights, and yeah, it's just mostly the work that goes on behind the scenes here at GIA, and it's been great. It's been great. Thank you for an amazing 2025 and on to a better 26.